In today's video, I want to share with you guys 3 easy yet different ways to style a puffer jacket. What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited for not only this video, but I'm excited to finally share with you guys a piece that I have been so excited and have just been like waiting for in the mail. It is my dream puffer jacket from Jacquemus, courtesy of FARFETCH, and much love and a big shout out to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. As always, with all of my FARFETCH partnership style sort of YouTube videos comes a brand new and updated discount code for you guys. So I'll be sure to leave links to all of the outfits and pieces worn, as well as what I got from FARFETCH, as well as my updated discount code in the description box down below, and I'll be sure to throw it up on the screen for you guys as the video goes on. In today's video, I want to split it up into 2 parts. So in the first part, it'll be a lookbook featuring this said Jacquemus puffer jacket. And then I want you guys to kind of stay locked in and come back. And the second half of this video will be just me talking about the actual jacket itself, along with some other gems that I got from FARFETCH. As always, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and definitely be sure to drop me some love in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. Are you a fan of the puffer jackets or just like puffer jackets in general? Which outfit was your favorite? And again, just show me some love in the comments down below. And lastly, if you aren't already, definitely be sure to follow me over on Instagram, because I will most definitely be showcasing some outfit photos featuring that said jacket and all of the other FARFETCH pieces as time goes on. But yeah, I think that's it. Enough rambling. Without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Witness the greatness. Ready to witness the greatness.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay.
And we're back. Hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed that quick little lookbook featuring the said puffer jacket. And like I said, definitely let me know which outfit was your favorite. So with this next part of today's video, I want to just keep it chatty as always. You know what to do, grab a snack, grab a drink. I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the puffer jacket, as well as the Supreme tote bag that you saw, and the APSE beanie, all pieces from FARFETCH. Starting out with the Jacquemus puffer. This bad boy right here is literally my dream puffer jacket. It is such a banger. I swear to God, you guys, I have been having my eye on this piece, and I have just been every single day I'm checking like the notification, like when it's coming in, and I'm so excited that it's finally in my hands. As soon as I put it on, I was like in love with it. And I originally saw this piece right here on Justin Bieber. I'll be sure to throw up a photo of him wearing it too. I believe he was at a basketball game. Absolutely love the way that this puffer jacket fits. Jacquemus really nailed it with not only the quality, but just like the little details throughout the jacket. As you can see, it is a very puffy like puffer jacket. And the reason why I make a note of that is because sometimes not all puffer jackets are puffy. Sometimes they're a little bit like flat and they're not really like filled that well, but this one right here definitely hits. I loved kind of like the oversized cropped fit of the actual jacket itself, because that is again what I personally like. I love how this jacket has like a collar situation on the top, the kind of like adjustable Velcro straps when it comes to like the arm bit, as well as the little Jacquemus kind of tag that's also removable with Velcro on the top of your chest. Overall, I'm just really excited and I'm really happy with this piece right here. I can definitely see myself getting a lot of wear out of this, and I can definitely see myself having this for years to come. If any of you guys, you know, you're looking for a puffer jacket, or you're just looking for any pieces in general, but you kind of want something that's a little bit more unique, FARFETCH does offer amazing pre-loved and pre-owned items on their website. So again, if you kind of just want something that's a little bit different, definitely be sure to check out their pre-owned stuff. I think it's a nice way to kind of implement something more unique into your wardrobe, and it's kind of something a little bit more special. It's like a one-off sort of thing. So if you like puffer jackets, or if you're just looking for something more special, I would say definitely be sure to check out their pre-owned selection on their website. But yeah, definitely this puffer jacket goes hard and it goes crazy in the best way possible. I can't speak highly enough about it. Like honestly, just bury me in this jacket, please and thank you. The next piece from FARFETCH that I want to talk about, and I showed you guys, is this Supreme tote bag right here. So I feel like if you've been watching me for quite some time, you would know that Supreme isn't really my thing. It definitely was like when I first started YouTube, and most of their stuff isn't really my taste, but when it comes to some of their items, you can definitely find like little gems here and there in regard to like their whole entire range. And I feel like this tote bag right here is definitely one of those said gems. I love kind of like this texture and material that they use for the actual piece itself. This is what the tote bag looks like. Obviously, it features kind of like that bigger logo right here in the front, and then it kind of follows through in the back. It features like a ton of zippers, like again, one here, one on like the main compartment, the back as well, and then on the sides, if you see, there's like some mesh paneling, so you can put like your water bottle or just like anything that like you need quick access to. This tote bag right here also does come with like a shoulder strap, so if you kind of wanted to wear it like that instead of a traditional tote bag by carrying it at the top, you could do that as well. I like this tote bag a lot because I live in Seattle, Washington, so it's definitely raining all the time. So I like a tote bag that offers a water kind of resistant like material, such as this one right here from Supreme. And I feel like when styled right, kind of like respectfully and humbly how I did it, I feel like Supreme pieces can low-key look nice, and it can definitely be a vibe. FARFETCH does an amazing job of partnering up with Stadium Goods to offer like very unique, not only sneakers, but just pieces like this in general. This Supreme tote bag actually came and was shipped from Stadium Goods. And so I feel like that's another reason why I love FARFETCH so much as an online retailer, because not only do they have an amazing selection on their own, but they partner up with and have access to people like Stadium Goods to offer an even more wide and amazing assortment of products on the FARFETCH website. So I think if you're looking for some gems, such as this one right here from Supreme, definitely be sure to check out FARFETCH. And again, you can use my discount code to save you some extra money. All right, and then the last piece from FARFETCH that I want to quickly share with you guys is this beanie right here from APSE. As you can see, the way that I did it was I rolled it up to make it more of like a fisherman beanie, because as you can see, and just like in all my other videos, that's what I tend to gravitate towards. However, the actual beanie is not supposed to be like that, or it wasn't styled like that anyway. It's meant to be worn more kind of like this, so just like a standard beanie, which is also really nice as well. And as you can see, it has like the APSE little tag in the front, which is a nice detail. But just for me personally, and the way that I would style it, I would like to kind of like roll it up one more time, just to again create that more like fisherman beanie style. And I really like kind of the knitted material, especially for this time of the year. It gives me all the fall/winter vibes, and I can definitely see myself styling this not only multiple ways, but I can just see myself holding onto this for a long time because the quality is so good. If you guys are interested, on top of using my discount code, I actually curated and created my own online edit with FARFETCH, featuring some of my favorite gems for this time of the year. So it'll be one of the first links in my description box down below. It'll say like Stevie's favorites or something. Click on that link and it'll show you just like kind of, again, my own little curated landing page of items that I personally would recommend, or items that like I have my eye on. All right, you guys, and that is it for my how to style a puffer jacket video, as well as kind of like a quick FARFETCH haul featuring some amazing items. Much love once again to FARFETCH for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. I absolutely love working with them because not only do I just genuinely like them as a brand, but I love being able to share with you guys pieces that I have my eye on, as well as offering you guys a discount code to save you some money. Links to everything mentioned and more will be in the description box down below. Check that out if you're interested. And yeah, hopefully you guys kind of took away some inspiration from today's video. Again, drop me some love in the comments down below. Let me know what was like your favorite piece from FARFETCH, which outfit was your favorite, or just let me know your thoughts in general because I love hearing from you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and be sure to follow me over on Instagram for like just daily vibes and inspo and like outfits, fashion, lifestyle, all that stuff. And I think that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.